What's up guys, Custer here. We're gonna be making some nitro wings today. They're nitro because they're hot. Got some habanero hot sauce to put on these things. Salt and pepper, oil. We're gonna throw these things on the Pit Boss and see what we got. All right, so we're gonna put some oil and some salt and pepper on our wings today. Rub all the oil in. So now we're gonna get our smoked salt and pepper here. Get all that on there. Mix it up a little. Get a little more. All right. Now these babies are ready to get on the grill. All right, so we're gonna cook these wings at 400 degrees. Throw them on here. All right, we're gonna let them heat up. All right, now we're gonna get our sauce going. We got some fire roasted habaneros in this, big slab of butter. So what we're gonna do, we're going to pour this into this bowl. Now we're gonna put it on the griddle. So the reason we put it on the griddle is to try and get the butter all mixed in with the habaneros. Just try and really get everything all mixed in before we put them on our wings. The perfect thing about this Pit Boss grill is how you have multiple options all in one. All right, so we're gonna flip our wings now. Things are looking good. All right, they'll be ready soon. So we got our wings fully cooked now. We're gonna move them from the grill into the sauce. All right, so we're gonna mix our wing sauce up here. Got our bowl, got our wings. We're gonna mix it all together. All right, so we just got done plating our nitro wings. Thank you, Pit Boss. These things look amazing. Let's dig into these things. That's probably one of the best wings I've ever had. Cooked to perfection.